Hi, Rosa. Today I'm gonna show you the job I chose, and then I will show you the cover letter and resume I created for this job. In here, this is the job title: Microsoft 365 Entra Administrator, um, and it is posted by Posty Company. Actually, I didn't see any due date for this job in the job posting. It is, and also it is a full-time job. And for this, it is a very important job in IT field because it's mostly asking about the administration side. So we are mostly working administration side. It may, so so that it can be handling the data or crucial data or important data in any company. So it is very important in the industry. Um, as for the duties and the duties or responsibility for this job is that uh, there are a few of them, and one of them is a Microsoft 365 administrator. It's mostly about managing the M365 services. Uh, for example, um, ex, uh, for example, Exchange Online. It is for controlling the uh, email, every other communication platform or the SharePoint is like it's for collaboration. Next one is security administration. It's mostly about the security side of the M365 M365 services. Um, and another one is a PowerShell scripting. It's mostly about asking uh, what the ability to have create and execute the PowerScript uh, to do the automatic task. And the next one is endpoint management. It's about the uh, experience we have in the Intune, which is one of the M365 tool. Next one is the collaboration tool. It's about the Power Apps and Power BI, which is included in the M365 which is in the which M365 tools. Uh, Another one is change management. It is like utilizing the change management process to apply the upgrades to the Microsoft environment. Also, it including the migration from hybrid environment to Entra. Whenever whatever migration happen from on-premise to cloud, it needs to have a good knowledge. Next one is customer service. It's about mostly about the customer side. It's asking about good managing and good managing good about managing the client expectations. Uh, Next one is continuous learning environment. It's about staying updated with the latest Microsoft features and update and best practices. Like it's asking, it's telling about that nowadays there are changes happening in the M365 tools and services. So they we need to have a good and up to date and would and stay up to date about the latest trend and practices. As for that last one, the documentation, it's about the uh, including the document system configuration, about up to date knowledge base. As for the qualification, they are asking about our we need to have a bachelor or associate degree in information technology. Next one is we need to have a three or more years experience in Microsoft 365 environment, governance and management. Next one we need to have a the high level knowledge in handling M365 services like SharePoint, Exchange, Teams, and so on. And next one is they are asking about we need to have a good knowledge in every side of my M365 and as well as the PowerShell scripting. In here, they are expecting that we need to have a at least one certification in certification to apply this job. For example, in here there are one example is AZ 104. It's about the Azure certificate. It's one of the Azure one of the certificate which is provided by Azure. Yeah, next one is in here. This mostly talking about the company, how many employees they have when they started this company, and so on. And in here, this is the cover letter for my for this job. So the first part is that this is my heading. So in here, I'm providing my name, my education, and the cover letter management is the one I am doing now. And below that, I'm showing the place I'm living and my email address and the link of my LinkedIn profile, and beside that my phone number. And after that, I am providing what are the job title the provider, Microsoft 365 administration and cloud administration, which is related to the job description. And now after that, next I am saluting the person who posted this job. So as for the first paragraph, I'm explaining that my passion about to apply this job, and I to show that I like to work with them to get the experience in this field, and which help me to improve and enhance my knowledge in cloud, especially in my M365 handling it, especially handling M365 admin center or any other services. Next one is I'm showing that my diploma what I doing now. For example, as for it, I'm doing cloud data management in Constar College. I'm providing that information, and I'm also linking this information to the job description. Um, s- uh, that's what I'm providing the bullet point. In here, I'm providing some keywords like Microsoft 365 governance, security and PowerShell automation, data visualization, teamwork, technical documentation. So these are the things already. These are the things they are expecting when we apply this job. So that's why I put it here. And mm, for the for each of them is like my 365 governance, like what we do for the security side, and for so how much I have knowledge in security side of the M65 tools and M3 services, uh, and also the what the policies I did for the SharePoint and Teams. And the as for the security and PowerShell automation, it's like it's something that I learned in this course. So providing and how much efficiency I have using PowerShell code, and how much I did for the security um features like Entra, data preservation policy, lifecycle data lifecycle management, and so on. As for the data visualization and teamwork, I provided that I have worked I have provided and created a dashboard by using Power BI, because I led this in the third semester, and I know how to create bar chart, pie chart, and any other chart or visualization or dashboard in Power BI. Next one is technical documentation. So in here, I'm proving that I have good knowledge and I have experience in creating a concise and comprehensive technical documentation by documentation, which is I did for the capstone project. The last paragraphs I am providing, I am showing that I would like to work with them, and I am excited to work with them to contribute my experience and contribute my work, and getting my good experience from them. And next one is the my resume. So in here, I'm providing the same heading as my core letter. As for the first paragraph, this one is I created like I use create by using um, format functional, because and as for me this fresh and new one, and I don't have any experience or any prior experience for this job, so that's why I'm using the functional resume format. Mm, and also avoiding using reversal chronology and a combination, because I cannot use that since I don't have any experience on cloud related job. That's In here I'm providing the that I am a good more self motivated and like to seek any information related to my course or anything related to cloud, and also providing that I have good knowledge in good providing that I got good knowledge in by learn from this knowledge, sorry, learn from this course, uh, by doing the some project. As for the next one is technical competence and skills. In here, I am um, linking these keywords to job title, sorry, job description, because it helped me to showcase that I have this kind of skills and ability to do the whatever work they give me they are going to give me. So in here, the first one is the Microsoft 365 Cloud and on cloud administration. Is mostly about um, uh, uh, mostly talking about the services, governance, and IT identity access. So these are things I did in the action projects. So I know how to do the data life cycle, cycle, and do the Exchange Online, SharePoint Online Teams, and OneDrive. So I know how to handle these kind of tools, and I have good thorough knowledge in this field. And the next one is security complaints. So I did I did creating groups and so many things in admin side of M365. So there is one feature like Entra. It used to be called Azure AD. That's why I put it here. And then it's also have MFA multi-factor authentication to secure the data by preventing unwanted people to access it. And next one is the best price. There are some practices I did for the caption process. I know most of this. And another one is automation scripting. So I learned this PowerShell in the third semester and so the second semester, and next to the Power Platform like Power BI and other things I learned from the last semester. So I know most of the details, how to do that, how to create a dashboard, how to import bulk data by using PowerShell script. Next one is the documentation and collaboration. So I just use this, provide this skills that I have this kind of thing. These kind of things I did did in the capstone project, and so I have good knowledge in it. For the academic project, I provided what I did in the project. So that's what I put the college name, my project name, and which course I did, and how many days I took this to complete. And this is the scenario I put it. A scenario we use, the scenario which is provided by a professor, and what are the action I did for this project. So these most of the things I did, uh, most of the thing I did in here is linking to the job description I provided. So I did most of the work and I know how to do that. And in the education section, I provided my what the education I have. So this one is the education. This one is my one I doing now, the cloud data management. The next one is which is I did in my did in my country. And thank you.